Welcome to our VR escape room game. So now this is the welcome room where the player starts choosing the level before playing puzzles in the game. So as you can see here, when it starts playing, the UI panel gives the welcome message along with the options as buttons to choose. Here, the menu gives 4 options, which is randomized rooms, level 1, level 2, and level 3. The randomized level button shuffles the 3 rooms into random order each time. And each level button, except the randomized option, follows their fixed sequence. For example, level 1 follows 1, 2, 3, victory. Level 2 is 2, 3, 1, victory. Level 3 is 3, 1, 2, victory. This makes sure the user plays each room in the game. As for the victory room, it stays the last. So for now, let us choose randomized level. Okay, so now as you can see in the console, the room sequence goes 1, 3, 2, victory. And this is the first room, which is the playroom. So for this room is designed as an abandoned playroom that requires the players to search for the hidden button to unlock the exit door to move to the next room. So we should start playing the room, and as you can see, there is an XR interactable that is attached for some objects, like for example chairs here, so I can throw them off and moving them around whatever I want. But here we're supposed to find a button to unlock the next door. So one of the features that we use in our project is when I move this chair and throw it, it will give a sound such as like a object drop. This was controlled by one of our scripts that we made called Object Impact Drop. It plays an impact sound when a grab object that is attached is dropped hard enough. So for now, let's just say I'm confused where the button is. There's a cheat sheet that provides to show the pointer where the button is. So you can enable the pointer. As you can see here, there's an arrow here which leads the button, and then you can disable the pointer in case if you don't want it to show. Okay, so for now it should be disappeared. Yep, it's disappeared. But for now, let's just enable the pointer and interact with the button. Then you can interact with the button by using the XR simple interactable. Then you point out your X-ray pointer to the door, that is a teleport anchor, to move to the next door.
This is room 3 of our game, Shelf of Secrets. When the player enters, they are greeted with a welcome UI panel, hinting that they will need to use the flashlight to uncover hidden clues around the room. When the flashlight shines onto the posters, certain letters are revealed to form clue words. This is achieved by showing a canvas overlay containing only the hidden letters when the flashlight is detected. A discovery panel will also appear to provide the player with a subtle hint regarding the clue they have found. If the player becomes stuck or unsure of what to do, they may refer to the cheat sheet. The first cheat reveals the hidden words on the posters without requiring the flashlight. The missing person's poster spells out the word clock, while the child's drawing spells out trash. The second cheat informs the player that the keypad must first be unlocked before it can be accessed. Lastly, the third cheat hints that the time displayed on the clock should be read as 4 digits, which is the code to escape. The key needed to unlock the keypad is hidden inside the trash can and can be discovered by opening its lid, which scales up to show interactability. The key uses the XR Grab interactable component, and picking it up triggers a UI panel, hinting the player to search for a lock. Bringing the key to the lockbox triggers the script that reveals the keypad canvas. The player then observes the clock on the wall and converts the time into a 4-digit code. The keypad accepts input through UI buttons, and entering the correct code triggers the door animation. And the player escapes the room.
Okay, so we move on to the second room. So the second room is a horror classroom where players find and place 5 colored orbs onto the ritual shelf in the correct order. When you enter the room, there will be a UI panel as an instruction to solve the puzzle. Then we click enter room to start playing. That triggers the game audio and interaction. There will be 5 color orbs, which is red, blue, green, yellow, and purple. Now we take the red ball, which is very exposed. We have to guess out the ball sequence here. So there are 5 balls, so let's just say I'm trying to put the red ball in the first order. So it was correct, then the candle below will be light up. Okay, then now we find the second ball, which is the blue one. It's very exposed, same as the red one. Then let's grab and put it in the puzzle shelf. Okay, so now let's try put the ball in the 5th order. Oh, looks like I get it incorrect. Seems the light doesn't light up, so that means I get it wrong. But let's just find the 3rd ball. Okay, there's the yellow ball here. Let's just take it. Okay, so let's try put the yellow ball in the 3rd order. Oh, it seems I get it wrong. But if you get 2 times wrong, you get a clue, which is from blood to sky, through forest and dying light, with the final shadow seals the path. So this one gives clues. So I think the yellow ball should be in the 4th one. Let's try it out. Let's just try the blue one. We put in the 2nd. Now it's correct. And then for the yellow ball, we put it in the 4th one. So now I get 3 correct and the candles light up. Now we search the last 2 ball, which is the purple ball and the green ball. Let's just say I'm confused where to find those balls, and there's a cheat sheet here that will show where the balls might be. So here we have the activate hidden lights. When you activate it, the location of the ball will glow. So as you can see here, I found the purple's position. So we just need to open the door by using XR Simple Interactable, and you can find the purple ball right there. Then we found the last ball, which is green right here. Now we go grab it, and then we put it in the 3rd order. We place the green ball in the 3rd order, and all the candles have light up, which means the door has been unlocked. Now we can interact with the door to move to the victory room.
Welcome to the victory room, which the player reaches once they have completed all 3 puzzle rooms. At the center is a golden trophy, which the player can claim as a reward for successfully escaping the game. To celebrate the player's achievement, the room features dancing characters accompanied by upbeat background music to create a lively atmosphere. There are also interactable buttons on the sides that trigger balloons to float and pop. Finally, a UI panel displays our names and student IDs to acknowledge us as the creators. Thank you for playing our game.